What's going on, YouTube? You're tuned in to Watch the Matter with me. My name is Jesus, and I'm going to be doing a review today on the Khmer 4-watch combination watch case that I got on Amazon. And yeah, let's take a look at it. If you're wondering what knife I'm using this Civivi Seiko. Maybe I'll do a video on that. Wonderful knife. Best knife under $100, arguably, even though I don't really know about knives. But here it is. So I bought this for $25 and about 15 cents or so on Amazon. I wanted something a little nice, something that I could put more than one watch in. A quick wrist check here. I got my Tag Heuer 2000 Professional. This is becoming slowly one of my favorite watches. But here it is. This is it. Khmer. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Sorry, English is my second language. But let's check it out. So it looks like it comes with a little card. Best wishes. Made in China, I saw, but little instruction manual on the combination. I'll take a look at that right now. Let's put this to the side. Wow, that's actually, oh, nice. That's actually pretty nice. Pretty nice presentation here. Let's move this out of the way. Just the box. And this is it. Okay. Not bad. Nice feeling watch holders, I would say. 1 in 1. Maybe 2 watches can go here. Your watch straps can go there. Okay guys, here it is. Here you could see I put 4 of my, I would say, nicer pieces. They're all loaded up in here. I got a watch strap in there. Got a ring in here. Got a polishing cloth here, and I even have a tool. So I did notice one thing you have to keep an eye out for, and it's I have my 4 watches here. As you can see, I have the strap. So when you actually go to close it, let me see if you can notice. You can't really see, but you have to be careful because the buckle or the metal piece of the straps, it could actually hit your watch and your crystal. It's kind of hard to capture it, but I would recommend, if you're gonna put a watch strap, probably put it like this, and you know, take a look for yourself, because I put it in there. When I went to go close it, I saw that the metal buckle on the strap was actually gonna hit the Speedmaster, and just something to keep an eye out for, so that you don't damage your crystal. That's one thing. Now, to set your combination, you actually just lift this little strap up here, this tab. You come back here, and you see that? You're gonna put that to the B position. The B position in this would be like so. Once you do that, you're able to put your combination, pull it back down, and actually your combination is set at that point. That's the instructions right there. I've tried it a few different times and it works pretty well, surprisingly. I will say that the reason why I bought this is because, put this over here, was because these set of watches, I don't have them out in the open. I have them in my safe, and in my safe I had them in the box, And as you can see here, the boxes are pretty bulky. This is just 2 of them. I hated going in and out of the safe, taking these boxes out. It got to the point where the Grand Seiko box is almost getting damaged because of it's always going in and out, and me taking the watches out. So this is gonna minimize that. This is gonna just put the 4 watches in the safe, one area. I could take it out. I don't have to worry about taking 4 different watch boxes out. I have my other watch box, but those are just my regular watches, you could say, and I just have it out. And so yeah, so this is it. I think the quality of it looks very good. The aesthetics looks really good. It's a lot smaller than I thought, as you can see compared to my hand. It's perfect sized. I'll put a link down below so you guys can check it out. This is something you're interested in, but definitely think it's worth it. The quality feels good. Like I said, I got it for $25. Usually they go for anywhere between $25 to $40. I caught it on sale for Prime Day, and it's pretty nice. I like it a lot. I think it's gonna serve its purpose for me. It's gonna do what I want it to do, and I got it for what I want it for, you know. So stay tuned for more watch content. Thank you very much. Like, follow, subscribe, and have a good night.